Live in the heart of Montgomery County at Park Station at Olde Town Gaithersburg. This charming address is just walking distance from a host of area attractions and family fun, including Lakeforest Mall. Less than 5 miles away, you'll find even more shopping and dining to be had at RIO Washington Center. When you're not exploring the best of the city, you'll love relaxing in your spacious 1, 2, or 3-bedroom apartment home. Fitted with updated lighting, fully equipped kitchens, and a washer and dryer, the homes of Park Station at Olde Town Gaithersburg are as functional as they are comfortable. Enjoy a floor plan with walk-in closets and a private balcony or patio overlooking the manicured landscape. Pet-friendly and resident-focused, the property is designed for easy living. In addition to covered garage parking and an on-site car wash, there's a 24-hour fitness center, outdoor pool with grilling stations, and a clubroom with billiards and Wi-Fi. If you're looking for more action, explore Bohrer Park and Rec Center less than a mile away. With easy access to the I-270 corridor, you can go far, fast. And with big-name employers nearby, commuting is a breeze. Live easy in the heart of Montgomery County. Live life at Park Station at Olde Town Gaithersburg.